channel. This is my first video. My name is Tanya and I am a beauty and fashion influencer. I would highly appreciate if you guys can subscribe to my channel, and if you guys like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Today's video is a haul video. So it was a little bit dicey for me to order from the website from which I ordered, because I thought that it could be a fraud to me. So that's why मैंने बहुत कम amount of things purchase की, so that I would be confident that if it will not come, it will not harm me. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. I have two boxes from Hawk Makeup. I got all the products in the Women's Day sale going on. It was a flat 50% off over the products. I could not believe that it could be 50% off over them. So that's why I thought that it could be a fraud. My products did not get delivered or something like that. But the delivery was within 4 days. So it was a very big thumbs up for them. And the products are purely authentic and real. There is no compromise with the quality. So first of all, we'll talk about the packaging. The packaging is really very good. It comes in such a very big bubble wrap so that the products did not get broken, which is a very good thing. Moving on to my first products. These are the Nika K palettes. Just look at the shades. I ordered 3 palettes for $9.99. I gifted one to my friend, so I'm left with the 2 palettes there. These are a pretty old palettes because I ordered it before, and now I have ordered some other products. So these are the palettes. These are really affordable, like you have to pay $9.99 for 3 palettes. These are really very pigmented. You will not believe, they're such a beautiful palettes and their pigmentation is pretty awesome. I'll swatch some shades for you. We'll take some this yellow, this bronze, this, and this brown. Just look at the pigmentation of this palette. I actually love it. Love using these palettes for my eye makeup. So these are the shades. The second palette I have is the birthday cake shade. It is a very beautiful colorful palette so that you can create different looks through it. Let's swatch some shades from this also. This blue, this red, this purple, and this blue. Look at the pigmentation. The pigmentation is really amazing of this palette, but see, the pigmentation is very good, but there is a disadvantage कि बहुत ज़्यादा fall out होता है. So you need to keep up with that. But ये बहुत अच्छे से blend होता है. बहुत अच्छी palettes है. I have used it for a very long period of time. That's why I'm telling this, that these palettes are really very good. You can invest in them for sure. The next 2 products, I was very excited to buy them because I was getting a flat 50% off over them and I was eyeing them from a very long period of time. तो अगले 2 products are from Wet n Wild और ये बहुत ही means hyped products हैं in the market. First is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. It contains 2 shades. This one is for the bronzing or contouring, you can say, and this is the banana powder side. The banana powder is so very fine, you guys. Like, it will give a very beautiful finish to your face. I have heard a lot about it and I'm very excited to try it. And this is the bronzing shade. The banana powder is very nice, very fine, you can say. Its MRP is $5.99, but I got it only for 300 rupees, which is a flat 50% discount. And I hope that in the coming future they will be coming up with more sales and then you can also buy it from there. The second product, इसके बारे में आपने पक्का सुना होगा because सारे influencers, makeup lovers इसको बहुत पसंद करते हैं. That is the Wet n Wild blush. It is very famous because It is a really good blush, you guys. I personally loved the blush because firstly मुझे shimmer blushes बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है जिनके अंदर थोड़ी सी शीन होती है. This is the perfect matte blush और इसका शेड है it is in the shade mellow wine और मुझे इसका शेड बहुत पसंद आया because on my skin tone it will go very well. You can see it's a very beautiful pinkish blush and it's purely matte. ये भी मुझे बिल्कुल 50% पे मिला. ये 499 का है लेकिन ये मुझे 200 का मिला. आई थिंक या 200 और 250 आई गेस, बट that was also a steal deal for me because मेरे को काफी टाइम से चाहिए था. Up to the next box, I have got I have got some base products that I wanted to buy from a very long time. Firstly मैं आपको बता दूं कि मैंने अभी मेकअप की फील्ड में स्टार्ट किया है. दैट्स वाई मेरे पास अभी बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं है. Whatever you see on my channel would be very affordable because I am also a beginner and I could not afford to pay a lot to the makeup. So I personally like products which are affordable and good quality too. So you will see much of affordable section over my channel and less of a very high end makeup. So that's what I felt before starting the YouTube channel, that I would be going a bit affordable over the channel. So for the base I got this LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation in the shade Fair. I got this also on 50% off. Its MRP is 1200 something, 1250 or something. I got this for 635 I guess, and it was a very good deal for me because it's a very beautiful foundation. It is a hydrating foundation. Good, can be good for both dry and oily skin types. It is a full coverage foundation. It's a very beautiful foundation. So ये बहुत अच्छा फाउंडेशन है. अगर आपको कभी भी ये सेल में मिलता है, I would not say to think twice. You just grab it whenever you get it on discount. For the next products we have my favorites, the Makeup Revolution concealers. These are the conceal and define concealers. I have them in the shade C2, which is a very light shade. Means it can be used for highlighting your under eyes and highlighting your T-zone. And next I have is the shade C10 I guess. Yeah, I have two shades, C2 and C10. Very nice. The swatch of C2 is this one and the swatch of C10 is this one. You can see the difference. It could match my skin tone or maybe a bit darker to my skin tone, बट जो हमारी स्किन को मैच करता है कंसीलर, उसको हम यूज कर सकते हैं अपने एक्ने स्पॉट्स, एक्ने मार्क्स को या फिर एक्टिव एक्ने को कवर करने के लिए. लेकिन जो लाइटर कंसीलर होता है यू कैन यूज इट एज योर आई बेस ताकि आपकी आई शेडोज बहुत अच्छे से पॉप अप हो जाए एंड टू हाईलाइट योर फेस लाइक द अंडर आईज, the T-zone you need to highlight. So for that you need a light color concealer. I got these concealers on 50% discount. Their MRP is 750 each, but I got 325 each, which was also a very good deal. Last but not the least I have is the LA Girl Pro Prep Primer. I have heard a lot about this. मुझे personally खुद भी when I swatched it, it is a gel based primer. You can see, I hope it is a gel based primer or silicone based primer है ये basically, and it smooths out the skin like anything. It's very very smoothing. It does what it claims. So मुझे ये personally बहुत अच्छा लगा. बहुत ही ज़्यादा smoothing कर देता है skin को और pore filling is amazing you guys. So these all products were my the top notch products I wanted to buy from a very long time. So आप लोग भी ये products ले सकते हो whenever Hawk Makeup पे sale आए. मैं पर्सनली अपनी ऑडियंस को हमेशा अवेयर करती रहती हूँ अबाउट द सेल्स ओवर इंस्टाग्राम, सो दैट जैसे मैं अफोर्डेबल सेक्शन में जाके अपने लिए चीज़ें परचेज करती हूँ तो वो भी अपने लिए चीज़ें परचेज कर सके इजीली. सो दिस वॉज इट अबाउट माई हॉल. So, rating Hawk makeup over the delivery, it's 10 on 10. The timing was very less for me. Secondly, the products were very authentic and I like the products. Thirdly, the sales over Hawk makeup are mind blowing. So, for the people जो सोचते हैं कि यहाँ पर एक फ्रॉड हो जाएगा या प्रोडक्ट्स डिलीवर नहीं होंगे, so I would like to say that Hawk Makeup has upgraded themselves and अब वो मतलब बहुत अच्छे से और टाइमली प्रोडक्ट्स को डिलीवर करते हैं. This is all about my first video. I love sharing my experience with you guys because it was a little bit dicey for me, so I thought कि मैं आपके साथ भी ये चीज़ शेयर करूँ. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon over there. And I would love to hear it in the comment section that how would you like my video. So thank you so much. Bye bye.